Freak accident. Freak accidents. What's a freak accident? Well, freak accidents mean different things to different people. Don't be so quick to conclude that you will not be compensated because of a freak or what you think is a freak accident. I'm going to give you an example. A while back, a mother called me crying desperately. Her daughter was playing on some playground equipment at a public park. She had her pinky ring on her pinky finger. The pinky ring at the top of the monkey bars got caught on a screw that had been protruding up. We went out, we investigated, we took pictures, videos. We found out that even though it was a public park, that a private company oversaw the maintenance and use of this particular equipment. We found out the name of that company. That company had $1 million coverage. We also found out when the insurance company called, said, well, they inspected it a week before. I said, well, they may have inspected it, but they missed that screw. We received a considerable amount of money for this young lady. It's a tragic incident. Freak accidents happen all the time. That doesn't mean that there's no insurance that we can obtain for you. Very often, we know where to go to find insurance. I usually tell people if someone's been hurt, many times someone else is at fault, and very often insurance coverage is not far behind. What are the 5 most important things you should and shouldn't do if you've been injured because of some type of an accident or incident? Well, first of all, go to the emergency room. Don't think for a moment that you're not hurt. Maybe you aren't, but you should not be making that decision independently. Go to an emergency room or a patient first or one of those places. Don't wait. Number 2, do not talk to an insurance company. Most of the people will tell you, oh, the first thing you got to do is call your insurance company. I'm telling you, that is the last thing that you want to do. You should not call your insurance company, and do not call the insurance company of the person who was at fault. Number 3, get off of your social media. Do not text people with what happened. Do not go online and tell people what happened. Stay off of social media. So often people think, well, it won't hurt to say this or text that, and very often whatever comments you make can come back to haunt you. You should call an experienced attorney, an experienced personal injury attorney, to get advice. If you don't know an experienced personal injury attorney, call me. I'm Lawrence Land, as I told you before, helping people throughout Virginia for 36 years. Call me for free legal advice. 1-800-800-1911.